Most beginner investors think they need to find the next Apple, Amazon, or Nvidia to build wealth. The truth is, many of the world's most successful investors recommend something much simpler: the S&P 500. Today, I'll show you 3 simple investing rules that can help you use the S&P 500 to build long-term wealth while avoiding the biggest mistakes beginners make. Let's get started. The S&P 500 isn't one company. It's an index made up of approximately 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. When you invest in an S&P 500 mutual fund or index fund, you're buying a small piece of hundreds of leading businesses with a single investment. That diversification is one reason it's so popular. Here are 3 rules every beginner should know. Rule number 1, invest consistently. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for the perfect time to invest. They wait for the market to crash. They wait for interest rates to change. They wait for the news to improve, but nobody consistently predicts the market. Instead, invest a fixed amount every month, whether the market is up or down. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. When prices fall, your money buys more shares. When prices rise, your investments continue growing. Over time, consistency often beats trying to perfectly time the market. But here's another mistake beginners make. They think one investment makes them rich overnight. It doesn't. Rule number 2, give your investments time. The S&P 500 isn't a get-rich-quick strategy. It's a long-term wealth-building tool. Some years the market rises, other years it falls. That's completely normal. The investors who usually see the biggest gains are the ones who stay invested, not the ones constantly buying and selling. Compounding needs time. The longer your money stays invested, the more your returns can begin generating their own returns. That's where real wealth starts to grow. Now here's the rule almost nobody talks about. Rule number 3, choose low-cost mutual funds or index funds. Not all investment funds charge the same fees. Some actively managed mutual funds have high expense ratios that quietly reduce your returns year after year. Many low-cost S&P 500 index funds aim to track the market instead of trying to beat it. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and working for you. Even a small difference in annual fees can add up to thousands of dollars over decades. That's why keeping investment costs low is one of the easiest ways to improve long-term returns. The S&P 500 won't make you rich overnight, but that's not its job. Its job is helping investors steadily build wealth over time. You don't need to predict the next winning stock. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to watch financial news 24 hours a day. You simply need consistency, patience, and a long-term mindset. Start investing regularly. Stay invested through market ups and downs. Keep your costs low and let time work in your favor. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, because next week we're covering 5 investing mistakes that quietly destroy long-term returns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.